Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends update stuck on getting ready. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Task Manager and then you need to write Riot and then end all the tasks related to Riot Client. Should be no Riot Client on your system tray or Task Manager as well. Then on search, look for Riot Client, right click on it and run as admin. And of course, log into your account. And then you just need to go to League of Legends and try to update and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go and press on your profile picture that is on the top right. Then you need to go to settings. On settings, make sure League of Legends is selected. Deselect enable auto update and then press repair and then start repair and wait until repairing files process is done. And after it's done, press OK. You can close this window here and then look if the problem persists and if you can update your game or not. But now it should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.